In 2023, we are all broke and extremely tired to put the stupendous amount of effort into our hair to look good. It's no longer necessary to see the barber every 2 weeks and apply a ton of pomade to achieve the crisp fade that was once popular. What we all really want is a hairstyle that could give us long-lasting. This means cutting down on going to the barber. And number 2 is styling with less effort. Hair no longer has to be blow-dried and then styled for 10 minutes using products. Number 3 is no more over-detailing. So what's the trend now? What hairstyles are popular right now? We are going to break down into age groups. If you're in the age group of below 22 years, you can get a very decent sense of what's hot right now from the list below. Number 1 is the flow. This is basically a grown-out medium-length hairstyle worn by flowing it back with a cap. Number 2 is mullet. Basically grow out your hair and trim the sides. Number 3 is fluffy fringe. It's a popular choice for men who want to add a trendy and fashionable touch to their look. A fluffy fringe where the hair swooped forward and up. And next, if you are in between the age bracket of 20 to 30, we have most popular hairstyles for the guys in this age group. Let me see, the first one is the Leonardo DiCaprio. A lot of us are 90s kids, so it's no wonder. We love this hairstyle. All it really requires is growing out hair and getting it trim every month to keep it clean. And next hairstyle is buzz cut. Some of this age bracket bros start losing their hair, so it's better go for something easy and simple that you can even do yourself, like a buzz cut that works very great. For the people who have 35 plus of age, I think maybe lawyer, real estate agents, and just professionals in general. A lot of them are choose for the American Psycho hairstyles, which is clean and slick back medium-length hairstyle. It follows the trend of taking less effort and last for longer. This is our overall forecast for men's hairstyles in 2023. Make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss our updates.